Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium in the color black. Let's take a look. So starting up front here underneath the hood, we do have a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It is automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. As you can see up front, we have our headlights, our daytime running lights, and the fog lights. But if you look underneath the logo, you'll also find your front-facing camera. As you move along to the side here, we have our alloy wheels, and then our side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. Rear windows for this unit do come with a factory tinting. And if you look closely, you'll see that in the middle panel just above, we do have our tail bed light lit up right here. That can be set to work automatically with opening and closing of doors, or set permanently on or off. The middle panel for your rear windshield is also power adjustable to slide side to side. Taking a look at the back of the unit here, right next to your handle, we do have your backup camera. And if you look down through here, you will find your spare tires snugly fit in there. Of course, to open up here, simply release the handle and it can soft open itself from there. Take a quick look around inside here. Once you get to the right-hand side, you'll find some additional storage and a power outlet. And to close up your space here, just reach down and lift up your tailgate. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So, in the back here, we'll see that your internal upholstery is this nice black leatherette with this nice texturing throughout. On the back of your front passenger seat, we do have the pouch storage. In the back of the console, we have the cup holders. Currently, we have the Toyota branded rubber mats throughout the unit. A little extra storage inside your door there. As you move forward, take a look at your handle. You'll notice the two double lines right here indicating it is a keyless entry. You can tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside the door panel, we have the power windows for front, back, and child safety lock, power lock system, and your side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is power adjustable, back, front, up, down, and your lumbar support. Hood release latch is on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, we have the controls for that bed light, which is set to on, can be set to door or off. We then have our automatic headlight controls, power for that rear outlet that we looked at, your full surround view camera adjustments or viewing through here, and then your traction control. Hop up and take a look here at our steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have the controls here for your radio and volume, and then your hands-free communication. On the right-hand side here, we have the controls for your dash, and then your cruise control, sonar, and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment center. It's where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit does have AM, FM, and satellite radio, full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a USB adaptable port. Under there, climate control center, we have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up and use it in unison. We also have your heated seats for both front passenger and driver with 3 different levels. We have the heated mirror controls on the left, as well as, of course, your heated defrost for your front windshield. We then have your dial for your 2-wheel, 4 high and 4 low, and your push start ignition. Underneath there, we have your rear sensor, electric power, the control for that sliding panel of the rear windshield, USB adapter, and then this fun little control, which actually matches the symbol down here, indicating that this is a wireless charging pad. For all compatible devices, turns on and off with this button, so you can use it as regular storage or as a charging pad. And then, of course, your 12-volt adapter. Nice amount of storage next to your shift there. On your rear view mirror, we have these house-shaped controls, your garage door openers. We then have your control for your crawl, rear diff lock, controls for overhead lighting, and the controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on the full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium in the color black. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.